Well, I joined this building 18 years ago, and it's sheer nostalgia now that I leave it after 18 years. So it's been a journey over these 18 years, and that's all what I'm going to miss. It's not just a desk for us that we come to each and every day. It's the memories that we create at that desk, be it work, be it the interactions on a day-on-day basis. So I take with me as we move to the new premises a whole lot of good memories that I, along with the others and my colleagues, we have created together.
In one word, I would say it's heavenly to be here.
It was my first job in a bank. Work all the way through from scratch.
I know it's the place, but it is the people in the place as well. 2 words, second home.
Learn banking, and time's gone quickly.
Welcome to our new Dubai Commerce City offices.
Our workplace, reimagined.
Newness of this place, it's new. So that's what I like. It's new beginnings for the team.
Change is always reluctant, but it looks pretty well planned.
I was looking forward to come here to finish this 1 year and go back to the renovated building.